Hello, this is Nervape James, and we're back this year for Halloween 2024 with Spooky Nervapes 2024. I'm going to walk you through how to use our Spooky Nervapes creator and how to share the Spooky Nervape for your chance to win scary prizes. So let's take a look here. Let's go to nervape.com, and when you go to nervape.com, on the upper left center area, there's a Nervape, a Spooky Nervape looking icon. You click on that and go to Spooky Nervapes. From there, you go to step 1 here. Okay, now in step 1, you can select your base skin color, your tattoos, a suit, your upper body wear, and your lower body wear. So here, let's say I want to do, and then we'll go with see you later. Actually, I'm going to change that. Let's do blue. I like blue. And then let's do see you later tattoo. Here I can go to a suit. Ooh, I like that look there. You could wear upper body wear and you can wear a lower body wear. However, for certain assets or certain gear items, like this one, it'll replace the other two locations on the Nervape body. Now let's go to step 2 here. Now this is for like the face area and hats. So I like to wear maybe a pumpkin hat here. And then, this pumpkin face, or maybe the zombie gear. You can go through here, and if you don't like a certain gear item, you can always click on this cancel icon. You can also go here. If you don't like any of the gear you selected, you can press this icon here, the paintbrush, and that will clear everything. But you know what? I like the gear I chose, so I'm going to go back and undo that. Or if I did want to redo an action, I can always click this forward arrow here. Alright, but I do like the gear I selected. Let's do this pumpkin face, and I like these glasses too though, so I gotta choose either or, the pumpkin face or the glasses. I'll do the glasses. And then the mask here. Here we have the Singapore spout coming out, some beard. You know what, I like this kind of Batman looking candy, and some earrings. We got some spooky earrings here. Let's do some ghosts, okay? And then let's go step 3, and this is for your background. You can choose an orange or this spooky purple background. I'm sticking with the orange one with the cool designs in the back. And then you know what necklace I want? I want this skull one here. And for the hands, maybe I'll do a little trick-or-treat one here, okay? We got spooky skateboard. Let's do trick or treat. And for a companion or special, this is our special gear here. This is I'll pick maybe a spider. Okay. So again, once you're happy with everything, you click on done. And when you click on done, you want to make sure, are you deadly certain? Because you can't go back and edit. So you got to be deadly certain. You want to move forward, or you want to go back to the spookiness and continue to edit, you can. I'm pretty certain. I'm deadly certain. So click on that. This will open up this page here. And here, you can download the image, or you can also share on X. It's really important if you want to be eligible to win scary prizes. You want to share on X. Cool. So here this is like a template that will come up, and then you want to press post, and there you go. There's my Spooky Nervape. Awesome. All right, and going back right here, I can create another Spooky Nervape. Also, it's important to remember that each Spooky Nervape participant wins a badge. So here you click on the link on the bottom. Don't forget to claim your badge. There's something here that says slide to collect. I already collected it, so I already collected my badge there. Okay, so how to win. So basically, if I'm a Nervape holder, I have a chance to win through Discord by posting my Nervape to the Discord channel, the outfit gear channel. Popular vote is for voting on X. That's if you have the most likes and retweets. And then the Nervape Studio Ghost Award, that's where the Nervape Studio, our team, will select a winner. All right, so if I'm a Nervape holder, what do I do? And you want to copy the link to your Spooky Nervape. Then you want to join our Discord. The link to our Discord is in the event page right here if you haven't joined already. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the Spooky Outfits Gear page, Outfits Gear channel, and here I will post my link. Okay, And once I post my link there, and then I want to vote for myself. And to win, you want the most jack-o'-lantern emojis. So click on that, give myself a little vote there, and whoever has the most jack-o'-lantern emojis wins. All right. Going back to my post here, I'm gonna like it there, and whoever has the most likes and retweets will win the popular vote prize. All right, so that's how you vote, and that's how you win. And make sure you do so before the deadline, which is Wednesday, October 30th, at right before midnight. Okay, so a minute before midnight. And these are the spooky rewards that we have available. All right, if you have any more questions, we do have an AMA. You missed that AMA, there will be a recording. So have some spooky fun with Spooky Nervapes. All right, take care. Bye-bye.